So here's a home where a client had a typical, we'll have the before photos will be up in the before on the video, and Pam's gonna kind of walk through what the client really liked about the kitchen, the final result. So what did the client say when she said first saw our kitchen? What was her expression?
She said it really elevated the home altogether. She loves the fact that it brightens it up. If you will see the before pictures, these cabinets were all very dark before. Now they're white, they're bright. The countertops, she loves the suede finish on the silestone. She says it's great. She really toiled with that decision, but she's super happy with it. It doesn't show much in the way of crumbs or dirt. Doesn't have that high sheen that reflects everything and shows everything. She loves this big sink she chose. That's a huge factor.
Big deep sink with a slight bar in the middle. That's quite a nice little feature with the grates down below. This is called a matte finish on the silestone, and notice the little color variations in here. It really kind of just makes her, it feels good, looks good, has really excellent feel to the kitchen for sure. So what are some of the features that she likes specifically on some of the changes we made?
One of the things that made a big difference for her are the large drawers. Most people, when they're upgrading their kitchen, might not think that the deeper drawers would be a nice replacement to cabinets, but they're way more utilitarian. They pull all the way out. You can access everything in. Also, with regards to her refrigerator cavity here,
I noticed this shelf. Kind of a fun
the
little
shelf
detail.
is because she's thinking maybe somewhere down the road they might be getting a taller fridge. So this whole area will not have to be modified. The shelf can come out if that's the case, and she'll be able to put a taller fridge there.
All right, and notice the size of this island. This island says to me, let's have a party. I can see a glass of wine, cheese board out here, having a good old time. So the idea is that you help our clients reimagine their kitchen in a way that they can benefit. It takes it from what it was to what it can be, and what it could be, what it should be for your home to be able to enjoy with getting together with your family. You eat with your family, you gather with your family because you love them. So that's the premise. And oh yeah, here we go. And you too can have your own customized cutting board at the end of the job.
Yes.
All right, excellent guys. Thank you very much.